Hey everybody, it's Monty, it's Shadle Park, and it's review week. Let's see what we've learned so far. Alright, the equation y equal 2 is graphed. Okay, so let's see if we can see that. Okay, grab our little purple here. Let's just go across. Okay, there's y equals 2. Okay, now we need parallel. Same slope that passes through the point -3, +7. Right there. Okay? -3, let's go down here. -3, +7. Okay? So we need parallel. Well, we know what parallel looks like. Parallel. Okay? Good. Now graph perpendicular. Okay, so if those are vertical and horizontal, so this is horizontal. Now perpendicular would be up and down, wouldn't it? And that would be x. Oh, you know what? Did that wrong, didn't we? Perpendicular, +2, -3. 2, -3, vertical. There we go. So at x equals 2, here's the vertical. Okay? Alright. So let's move on. Write an equation for a vertical line through vertical. That's up and down. Up and down, right? So, -3, +5, vertical, straight up and down. X equals -3. Okay? Write an equation for a horizontal line. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Horizontal. Y equals 5. Okay? Alright, let's keep going. Now, slope equals -1/1. Right there. Okay? But we need perpendicular. So the perpendicular is the opposite reciprocal. So +1/1. So let's just write it out. Y minus y equals mx minus x. Y minus a -2 is equal to +1/1 x minus a -4. Want to clean it up? That's cool. Alright, write the equation that's perpendicular to this line. Okay, so the slope is -2/3. Opposite reciprocal, +3/2. Y minus a -2 equals +3/2. X minus a -6. Clean it up. Y plus 2 equals 3/2. X plus 6. Alright, let's keep going. Write the equation of the line parallel. Same slope. Okay? So, -1/2, -1/2. Y minus a -3 equals -1/2. X minus 0. Y plus 3 equals -1/2 x. Write an equation that is parallel to 4x. Same slope. 4 over 1 stays 4 over 1. Y minus 2 equals 4x minus 1. Alright. I think that's it for that page. Okay, so now construct a line perpendicular. Perpendicular passes through the point. So perpendicular, remember we grab our little tools, right? And we spin it. And we spin it. And then we connect it. So that would be close, okay? So grab your compass and protractors and work it. Perpendicular, midpoint, okay? So we grab our tool, connect the 2 points, okay? All right, make sure you can grab your tools, duplicate the angle, okay? So first we're going to draw a line, spin it, measure it, draw it, okay? Find the distance between 2 points, okay? So I always went like this, x, y, 3, -1, -2, -4, the gap. The distance is 3, the distance is 5. The d squared is equal to a squared plus b squared. D squared equals 5 squared plus 3 squared. D squared equals 25 plus 9. D squared equals 34. Take the square root, take the square root. D equals the square root of 34. Okay? Alright, now find the length of each side of the triangle. Just pick one, any one. Okay? So this one, 1, 4, right? So 1 squared plus 4 squared, take the square root. Or you could do this one. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2 squared plus 9 squared equals D. Or we could come over here and check this one out, right? 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 squared plus 8 squared. Okay, so just pick one of them. Any one. Okay. Find the perimeter. Perimeter. Distance around, right? Okay, so let's go up and over. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and this would be the same. Or we can go over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2. So 2 squared plus 6 squared equals D. So, and this would be the same. So, what would we have? 2 times the square root of 2 squared plus 6 squared plus 2 times 3 squared plus 9 squared. Area is length times width. Well, the length, 3 squared plus 9 squared. Times the width, 2 squared plus 6 squared. Okay. Alright, and you can do the math on those. Alright. Okay. Practice assessment we'll do in the next video. If you have any questions, just feel free to ask Monty. See ya.